after people have recovered from COVID, they are feeling very tired, low energy, headaches, loss of smell and taste, and losing interest in food, sinusitis, chest congestion. Even my family suffered with this, and how I helped them to recover. The recovery can be faster if we follow certain things. To reduce the sinusitis and throat problem, Jal Neti. It cleans the nasal passage and some part of sinus cavity. Sutra Neti. It can release all the congestion for the chest. It really makes the breathing very, very light when we do it. When there is chest congestion, there may be a lot of mucus in the chest, so breathing becomes heavy. And when we do Sutra Neti, mucus comes out and the breathing becomes light. After that, one can do some mild breathing exercise. One can do initially like rabbit breathing, dog breathing, and slowly keep on increasing the deeper and deeper breathing. It can help to release the congestion from the chest and make the chest lighter. People, they feel even brain fog. Mindful breathing techniques can release this brain fog and give you relaxation. People, they feel sleepy again and again. Many times in the day, they feel sleepy. Whenever it is possible, take just 5-10 minutes nap. When it is not possible, just check the breathing. Whichever nose is flowing, close that and start breathing from the other nostril. After 2-3 minutes, you will find you have become alert. It really does help, and people can revive and regain the alertness. Even deep breathing can create the alertness. Some acupressure points can be used for the sinusitis and the throat problem. Whenever there is a cough, there can be very much discomfort in the throat also. So what one can do, use these sinus points now. To become very specific of the points may be a tough thing. So what one can do, use 3 fingers and give the pressure. Remember one thing, use the tip of the fingers, not like this, tips. So make sure you don't have big nails. That is how you can give the pressure. At one point, one should press at least 20 times. And this is the point, very important point, where you have to press little harder. And again, near the nose. Use these points to give relief in the throat. You can use some Mandam Yoga techniques. Mandam Yoga technique is when you do every exercise very, very slowly and relax as much time you have done the exercise. There are many exercises which you can give expansion to the chest muscles to strengthen your thorax, and you will find the breathing also is improving. You are able to do deep inhalations and complete exhalation after these exercises. They are very, very helpful. One can prepare kada. Now, I had put one kada in my YouTube channel, but that kada is very good in winter. If in summer you take hot kada like with cloves, pepper, cinnamon, then everything becomes very hot there. And some people who have high BP, they may have more problem. Some people who have more heat in the body, they also can face the problem. There could be acidity also. But this kada is not hot. We use dry neem leaves powder, dry giloy powder, fennel seed powder, and ajwain powder. Here the ajwain is only hot thing, but fennel seeds will neutralize it. So this kada will not give you heating effect, but at the same time it works like antibiotic also. Neem is very good. You can prepare this kada, boil it in the water and have morning and evening. It is very helpful. Reduce the side effect of allopathy and take the decoction of coriander seeds, fennel seeds, and cumin seeds. You can boil it and make the decoction and drink it twice a day. You will find it gives very cooling effect in the stomach and it works like an antacid. This is how I helped my family. You can also try. It is very, very effective, and I found my family revived very fast.